long time no speak.
We're back, and guess where we're going? You guys need to comment down below some travel tips for Barcelona because we're just going with a whistle and a dream.
And guess who's airport dad
If we can
again?
get here quick enough to scan these before we get in there, you can have our ticket.
Bitter sun.
Anyone got a pack of cards? Anyone got some beers? And do you want to chill out? Fucking chaos in there with these lot. Morning. The new top I said you haven't seen.
Oh, well you told me you bought it.
Yeah. In the back.
I love it. My outfit's quite boring today, but
this is just our wander around the city outfit. It's Disney that I think I'm going to not faint again.
No! First stop.
Minions just walked past.
And then it just goes, Papa boy, and they all went.
Oh yeah, I said to them, Papoy. He's like this. How the fuck you dressed as a minion and you don't know fucking Papoy?
And of course, if you know me and Miller, there's only one thing we're going to do today, which is shop. Pre-festival brunch. Transition. Boom, boom. Was that a good transition?
Yeah, it was wonderful.
Guys, we're so naked in the streets of Barcelona.
This is how it feels to be the most naked person on the street of Barcelona. OOTD is that this is a Skims bikini top. This is a mini skirt from Gigi's Clothing. This fur jacket's actually real Mongolian fur. Just kidding, it's from M&S. Read the fucking sign. Read the fucking sign. No glasses. Sandals. Oh, be confident. Excuse me, miss, where'd you get your confidence?
Don't have any. Skirt is, I'm sure I've worn it before on our vlogs. This top is Miller's.
She's trying to get this done as quick as possible.
I'm wearing flip-flops anyway, thank you.
We've had one Aperol Spritz and nothing to eat but an acai bowl today, and I'm fucking wasted.
Right, we're getting fucked tonight.
What the fuck is up, right? Aperol bra, we're at the wine bar, what the fuck are you saying?
This is F4K.
Guys.
It was a Sunday morning, hanging by a shoelace. Felt like you were starting a war. If I wasn't pretty, I'd still be charging 10 for a dime back in my own apartment. But I paid to just run away from this. Let me pay for it later. Fade away, away, away. I remember when the days were long, old recliners in the yard.
Was he just looking at us or what?
I'm sure you'll find somebody stronger. I'm sure I'll always be thinking about you. In the moment, you said, and I always will, always will. In the street, past the 7-Eleven, just close enough that it's my and I thought
I have no idea who this even is. Let's go, I guess.
Hello? Yes, where are you guys?
One day I just wanna hear you say
Awesome, you're seeing this?
I'm such a baby, just a paranoid.
Should we get another drink? Hola. We got back at 5:30 last night and it's 10 o'clock now and I'm pretty sure I'm still pissed.
I'm certain we're still pissed. There's no I'm pretty sure about it. There's people that are sober and there's people that are us.
Pretty sure that I'm pissed. I'm actually pissed at my head. You guys like that? Look.
Wow. Wow.
So there's lots of like architecture and stuff and we're on our way. What are they doing? The type of shit we fucking run into every time we're hungover. We get stuck behind some shit like this.
Going to the Gothic Quarters and also guess what movie this is from.
Do you watch my story? I want coca tamale.
I'm just learning about the history of the Gothic Quarters. So Miller's
Would you want to hear?
I wanted to hear the history of the Gothic Quarters. You're just telling me your history of the Gothic Quarters, but any will do.
One time, me and Josie went on a double date with these two guys, but I'll tell you the truth, I actually had a boyfriend at the time. So
If you're watching this,
sorry. And then halfway through the date, I started to think this is going too far. I think this guy like might try and kiss me, and I actually have a boyfriend, so we were like, we need to run away. They were really handsome, so 2-man alert, like dream 2-man, they were really hot. And then we ran away and we ran through these Gothic quarters, run, because we said we're going to the toilet, and we creeped past them out the bar, ran down these Gothic quarters. So that's a bit.
oh, and also I just want to say congratulations, Knicks.
Congratulations to the Knicks New York basketball team for winning. Congratulations.
Hi vlog, so I got a whole new outfit because it's actually really hot. I'm not telling you where any of it's from and I'm gatekeeping it all. Yeah, you are. I keep missing opportunities to do a transition. Lobster roll. I would film it, but I'm fucking starving. Goodbye. It was really good, by the way.
I was just about to start talking shit about someone. I'm happy that I noticed you were recording.
Let us know down in the comments below if you want to know what it was and if it was about you. The shopping never ends at the airport. Okay, I bought a ring.
I got my headphones in. What's she talking about, guys?
Oh.
Stay cute, you guys.